Jai Swaminarayan. We are discussing fifth example, right? So let's start. To find the sum of three numbers 14, 27, 13, we can have two ways. Okay, in there are two ways. By two ways we can add 14, 27 and 13, right? Na? First way, we will add 24 and 27 to get 41 and then add 13, okay, to get 54. Second method, we may add 27 to 13 and then we get 40 and then we add 13 to get 54, right? So see here, which process will be the first we carried, then we have to take the bracket to it. Get it? So see here, this can be done for you any three numbers. Okay, it can be done not only for 27, 14 and 13. We can do for any three numbers. This property is known as the associative property of addition of numbers. Express this property which we have already studied in chapter whole numbers in general way by using variables a, b and c. Okay, now here instead of taking this number, we have to represent this law, or we can say this rule, with the help of variables. So how can, let's see, let 14 be a, 27 b and 13 be c. So see here, first we add 14 plus 27, a plus b, and first we have to take bracket. So what bracket represent, that we have to prefer this one first, then we have to add c. Next next rule, or we can say next method, we have to add that a plus the addition of b plus c. That means we have to add first b plus c, and then after the addition, when the result is there, we have to add a. In both cases the result will be same. So this will the this is the two methods. So that's why we can represent with the help of variables. Get it? Okay, now next topic. Expression with variables. Now till today we have studied the different rules, different formulas which already studied or which already expressed in the books, or it's stated in further geometry, whatever it may be. But now onwards we will use the variables in different way, that is in the arithmetic. So how? Let's see. Recall that in arithmetic we have come across the expression like 2 multiplied by 10 plus 3. We have studied such type of expressions, na? 3 multiplied by 100 plus 2 into bracket 2 multiplied by 10 plus 4. These expressions are formed from the numbers like 2, 3, 10, 100 and so on. So many numbers we can use, and this arithmetic operation we have to carry it out. To form expression, we use all four numbers operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions, right? These are the operation we mostly carried out, right? For example, to perform 2 multiplied by 10 plus 3, we have to multiply 2 by 10 and then add 3 to it. So some of the examples of the arithmetic expressions are, so here are the some expression represent, okay. So it is represented in the operation term, that is 3 plus 4 into 5. It is in bracket. So this operation we have to carry it first and then we have to add 3. So let's see, minus 3 multiplied by 40 plus 5. 8 minus into bracket 7 multiplied by 2. 14 minus 5 minus 2. Then 6 multiplied by 2 minus 5. 5 multiplied by 7 minus 3 multiplied by 4. Then 7 plus 8 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 7 minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 7, etc. Then we can also you can also perform any type of expression, you can also prepare any type of expression. Okay, expression can be formed by variables too, right? A plus b is equal to 7. Otherwise we can say c multiplied by d. Then we can say f multiplied by 4, right? So expression, for example, 2n means 2 multiplied by n. 5m means 5 multiplied by n. X plus 10, x minus 3. These are the expression with variables obtained by operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on variables. So we already studied and formed such type of formulas and rule. 4L is equal to perimeter of a square, right? Now this is the important note. We know that variables can take different values. They have no fixed values. Always remember, variables have different values. It has not fixed value, but they are numbers. Right, absolutely right. It is, they are the numbers. That is why in the case of numbers, operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on them. So if there are the numbers given as a value of the variables, the operation can be done. So I have said a plus 7 is equal to 10, or we can say a plus 7, and where a is 3. So we can say instead of a we write there 3. 3 plus 7 we get 10. Right? Na? So see here. One important point must be noted regarding the expression containing variables. A number expression like 4 into 3 plus 5 can be immediately evaluated. 4 multiplied by 3 plus 5 is equal to 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5 17. Right now, if we know the numbers, we can immediately do the operations and get the result. Right? Next. But expressions like 4x plus 5 which contain variable x, in such case how can we evaluate? Only f is given some values and expressed like 4x plus 5 can be evaluated. For example, when x is equal to 3, if you have given the value of x, then you can evaluate, right? Na? 4x plus 5 is equal to, we have to put x is equal to 3. That means, see here, 4x means 4 into x. Here we have to take 3 as x, that is 4 multiplied by 3 plus 5. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5 17. We can find out it, right? So how to form? How to form? See here, 5 added to 5 added to y. That means we have to add 5 into y, that is y plus 5. Okay. Then next thing, here, what is t minus 7? We will see one by one. One time we can say statement and then now we can say expression. Okay. So t minus 7 means 7 is subtracted from t. See here. Now here a multiplied by 10 means 10a, or we can say 10 multiplied by a. Then x upon 3 means x divided by 3. Minus 5q, q multiplied by minus 5. See here, 3x plus 2. First we have to multiply x by 3 and then we have to add 2. Okay, what operation we have to do? First we have to be careful about it. Don't say 2 will be added into 3x. No, first we have to multiply x by 3 and then we will add 2. Okay. Next, 2y minus 5. First we have to multiply y by 2 and then 5 is subtracted from the product. Get it? Next. Write such other expressions. Let's see, I will tell you. 10 multiplied by p, 10p. 3 is subtracted from r minus 3. First multiply 5 by c and add 2. 5c plus 2.